All right, in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to download Sprout videos from various places online using the Chrome extension method. So first, what you want to do is go to Google and type SERP apps Sprout downloader and look for the GitHub one like this. Click that. Alternatively, you can get to this page by just going to github.com/SERP apps. That's SERP apps. And then in the repositories area, you can search for Sprout and click that. That will bring you to the same page. So either way, you want to get to the Sprout video downloader page on SERP apps GitHub. Then on the right side, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see this thing, releases. So click the releases and it should take you to the latest release. So if you scroll down and look at the bottom, you can see various browsers here. This video is for Chrome, so I'm going to click on the Chrome one, and that's going to download a zip file to my computer. For me, it goes to the desktop. For you, it might go to your downloads folder. Just double click it to unzip that, and you'll see here that the Sprout downloader is now here, wherever you are on your desktop or whatnot. Now we're just going to install it. So open a new tab and type Chrome://extensions. And when you go there, look here on the top right. You want to make sure that this developer mode thing is turned on. So it should be like blue. Yours might be off to the left. Just toggle it on. And what that will do is allow us to actually load the downloader. So over here on the left side, you'll see load unpacked. You can click that and navigate to wherever you unzipped the thing and select it. And as you'll see, that installed the extension for us. Now, to get it to show up here in your extensions area like normal, just click that puzzle piece thing and then find the downloader, the Sprout video one, and click the pin icon, and now you'll see that it's up there. So we're all installed, pretty much ready to go. When you click here, the first time, you just have to enter your email and get a one-time verification code, and that's just to prevent spam. So just put your email in here, send the verification code, and in your email, you'll get the code that you can put in the box here. So I'll just do that now. I don't have to show you that. You know how to do it. I'll just do it now for my email and then show you what to do next. Okay, so once you've verified, you'll see here that that message goes away and it says navigate to a page with a Sprout video on it. So for example, let's say that you are somewhere and there's a Sprout video. So if you click play on the video, you'll notice that the video is now in your browser and there's a download button here that you can click to download the video, or if you click up here, you can see a little preview of the video and you can click the button download video here. Either way, when you click download, this progress thing will show up and it will start downloading. And once it's done, it will save to your computer to the same place that the zip file downloaded to. So wherever your browser is set to download things, maybe it's a download folder, maybe it's your desktop, that's where the video will save and download to. So how long it takes depends on how long the video is and if the video is recorded in high quality or not. But it's as simple as that. That's how you download videos from Sprout to your computer. Just make sure that you play the video first in order for it to be ready to watch. And there you go. You can see the video.